Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 5 best meme coins, super low cap meme coin under $10 million market. But these meme coin has potential to be the next 1000 to 10,000x potential meme coin. Still these meme coins are not listed on Binance exchange. But friends, definitely these meme coins has potential to be the next listing for Binance also. I'm very bullish on these meme coin because they are super low cap meme coin, so that's why this video can be the life changing video for all of you. Okay, so videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, our first meme coin is SCF. Okay, smoking kitchen fish, $0.0033 current price here. Last 30 days have 43% dump. Last 14 days 29% dump. It's because entire crypto market is dumping. This is Murad Pix meme coin. Okay, Murad Pix category meme coin. Current market cap just 3.3 million. Okay, already hit $50 million market, but right now you can see friends only 3 million market cap. So super low cap meme coin, nearly $1 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. Solana ecosystem meme coin. You can see, friends. This is good. We are 97% down the install time high. Coin initially launched with two zeros. Right now we are almost on its all time low. Okay, only 17% up. But 6 months ago, this meme coin make its all time high. There was $0.14. Where from we are 97% down. 97% down the all time high. So right now, smoking kitchen fish in massive dip here. You can see friends already listed on many base central exchanges: Gate.io, CoinX, MEXC, Albank, Arbit. Okay, Bitmart has listed. So these some central exchanges has already list this coin. Okay, total I think 9 central exchanges has already list this coin, and I think this super low cap coin can be the next big meme coin. We can see its market from just 3 to maybe $3 billion here. Okay, current market cap is just 3 million, but maybe you can see its market cap up to 3 billion here. That will be exactly 1000x from here. But friends, no doubt this meme coin in this list is highly risky. Upcoming four meme coins are less risky than this, and last one is my most favorite meme coin. Number second meme coin is Kango. This is KRC20 meme coin. Current price 0.4 times $0.14. Last 30 days, obviously its prices jump here. Current market cap just 4 million. Okay, and this meme coin definitely has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin because KRC20 meme coin and current trading volume, you can see last 24 hour trading volume $346,000 only. Very low trading volume because still few central exchanges has list this coin. And friends, where we minimum supply Casper ecosystem meme coin. Right now we are 91% down than its all-time high. They were 4 months ago, and still 71% up than its all-time low. So this is somehow good performance from Kango. And friends, these are some central exchanges where this coin is listed, because still in crypto market we have no massive high for KRC20 meme coin. As few months ago we saw massive high for Sui chain, for Aptos meme coin, for BNB chain meme coin, for different chain meme coin. But this year, okay, 2025, maybe we can see massive boom for KRC20 meme coin. At that time definitely Kango and another meme coin in this can amazing compare. You can see friends, Bioeconomy, a best central exchange has listed, CoinX has listed, FAMX, Polynex. Okay, overall 11 centralized exchanges has list this coin. So this is good. This is massive listing for Kango coin. So I think friends, Kango has also potential to be the next listing for major centralized exchanges, major tier 1 centralized exchanges. And we can see its market cap from just 4 million to maybe $4 billion here. It's really possible. We can see Kango from just 4 million to 4 billion. That will be exactly 1000x from here. Friends, third meme coin is Happy, another frothy meme coin in Solana chain, 0.4 times 0 to $3 current price. Last suggested performance is also not good. 10 million market cap. Okay, you can see friends, current market cap is 10 million, $2.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. Sorry, Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, not Solana, but Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. You can see frothy meme coin in Ethereum chain, just like Pepe. We are 92% down the install time high though 5 months ago, and it's still 200% up than its all-time low. So performance from Happy is good. Okay, not too bad. CoinW, MEXC, XT.com, Lufin, Gado.io. So already listed on 19 central exchanges. So this is good. And friends, Shopee has definitely potential to be the next maybe $5 to $10 billion market cap coin because Happy has already hit huge market cap, okay, nearly 100 million market cap. You can see we are 92% down than its all-time high. So Happy can also be the next big meme coin, and right now super low cap, just 10 million. I think Hoppy can hit $5 to $10 billion market cap. Fourth one is Nacho the Cat, another KRC20 meme coin, cat theme meme coin, first ever meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem. And this meme coin is listed on many best Central exchanges. I will show you later. Current price is between 4 times $0.34. Last 30 days performance you can see is somehow good, 22% pump, $9.9 million market. So market is also good, friends. You can see 9.9 million and already hit I think 50 or $60 million market few months ago. $194,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. 287 billion coin supply all in circulation. You can see, friends, another cat theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem, inspiration coin. We are 95% down than its all-time high. They were 4 months ago, 73% up than its all-time low. They were just 26 days ago. So right now, Nacho the Cat is going upward here. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed: Gate.io, CoinX, Pionex, and Ascendic Bitpart has already listed this coin. There's still loads of central exchange listing left for Nacho Cat coin. This is the high market cap meme coin in KRC20 ecosystem and Caspa ecosystem, and this was the first ever meme coin. So that's why Nacho Kit is amazing meme coin. And when we see a massive hype for KRC20 meme coin in this bull run, when Caspa will list on Binance, maybe in coming few months we can see Caspa listing on Binance. At that time, definitely Nacho the Cat and many other KRC20 meme coin can perform amazing. Yeah. And friends, I think from just 9.9 million to we can see its market up to $10 billion in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bull. If you see massive hype for KRC20 meme coins, then definitely Nacho the Cat coin can reach maybe $10 billion market. First now, final meme coin, number fifth meme coin is Shironiku, my most favorite meme coin in this list. And overall, another my new meme coin, my new favorite meme coin, its name is Shironiku. 0.7 times zero, $1 current price. You can see last 30 days, 44% dump here. Already hit $1 billion market cap when it's newly launched, but right now you can see only 11 million market cap, 1.2 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And friends, I think definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next Shiba Inu also. Cat theme meme coin in Ethereum ecosystem, because Shiba Inu is a dog theme meme coin and Ethereum ecosystem. We are 97% down than its all-time high. They were 9th December 4 months ago, and only 2% up than its all-time low. Recently, Shiru has hit its all-time lows, so now there are chances that we can see Shiru to go upward here. These are some central exchanges where this coin is listed: Get.io, MEXC, X3.com, Arbit, Bilexi, Albanks. These some central exchanges has listed this coin. There's lots of central exchange listing left for Shiru. Maybe we can see its listing on Binance Future soon. After that, Binance and Coinbase can list this coin, because right now, friends, as you know, we have no any hype for meme coins in crypto market. That's why Binance and many other central exchanges are not interested right now in meme coins. But definitely, when crypto market will again recover, when we see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins again, at that time definitely Shiro has potential to be the next big meme coin. As I will show you that one of the meme coin can do even 10,000x here. So that is Shironiku. I think Shiro has potential to be the next maybe 20 to 30, even $50 billion market cap coin. It's really possible that we can see Shiro from just 11 million to maybe $50 billion in this year's super cycle meme coins mega bull run. So friends, these were top 5 best super low cap meme coins. Okay, are you holding these or not? You can must comment down below.